Hello YouTube. Today I've received my parcel with a load of items that I've bought for a few jobs. So let's tear it up and see what we've got inside. It's quite a big box, probably half a metre by 30 centimetres. Quite big. As you can see already, you can see our first shower. Let's just open this box quickly and see what we've got. We've got two Triton showers, as you can see. That's our first things we can see inside this box. This is for some upcoming jobs that we've got where the customer is not really too fussy on what they get. So I've bought a range of stuff and they can pick which one they like on the day and can fit it. So I've got a Triton sequential shower, then I've got a Triton manual temperature control shower. As you can see, this is not thermostatic, so they set the temperature however hot or cold they want it. So I got them two, which is kind of like a like for like, and then I also bought a budget version just in case they wanted one that's less expensive. So I mean the sequential one was about 150, the other one was about 120, and then that cheap one was about £80. Also I've got the same job, I've got to repair a toilet, it's not flushing, so I've got a new closed couple kit for it. Also their basin handles have stopped working, so I've got a reviver kit for it to replace the handles. And then I've bought a universal flush pipe fitting pack. That's for another job that's coming up, which is another toilet repair, but we're changing all the flush pipe, the inside, the fill valve and everything. This is for the shower job. Change the fill valve because it is slow to fill, so I've just put the Flow Master fill valve. And then for another job I've got to change a set of bath taps, which it's a freestanding bath, so I've bought these just in case I need a bit of help. So that's all the stuff. Please do comment of the content you want me to see in the future. But yeah, hope you like this little video of my delivery. Don't forget to like, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you around soon. Have a good day.